Hi, everyone. My name is Mike Barmonde, and I'm a business development manager for IGEL in Seattle, Washington. As all of you know, the current outbreak has affected us all. I'm currently working from home. I usually do anyways, but obviously having to try to stay inside the house amongst all the other distractions is a big challenge. I have a 4.5-year-old daughter. I have a couple of dogs. It's been a big deal, so I can empathize with you. This video is mainly centered around a demo that we're going to do about how to actually enable IGEL technology to work from home. Let me jump right into it. This is what's called a UD Pocket. It is a small USB device that enables you to plug into any x86 device that contains our IGEL operating system. In this operating system are all the methods that you need to connect back to your apps, data, or workspaces that you have on-prem, in a remote data center, or even in the public cloud. In some scenarios, even you might not have any of these. Maybe this entire situation hits you where all you can want to do is connect back to your email and maybe Office 365 applications, which I'm going to show you today. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to plug it into a laptop, and we're going to go from there. So moving over to my laptop, I have my wife's old Dell. I'm going to simply take the UD Pocket and plug it in here. Now, one of the challenges with kind of this dual boot scenario where you're basically going to have your operating system on the device, maybe it's a work from home device that a company provides, maybe it's just the user device at home, is getting users to be able to know how to boot from a USB stick in this case, or device or pen drive or whatnot. So obviously trying to figure out those hotkeys is important. As you can see here, understanding things like, do we support UEFI? Do we support legacy boot? We do support both of those, as well as we support secure boot, which you can see is off in my case. But in any case, IGEL does support that. So I'm going to choose the USB storage device and boot off it really quick. As you can see, the IGEL operating system is coming up. Again, all running in a read-only fashion from this USB device. So the other half of this equation is, okay, this is great for one machine, but how do you manage 10, 20, 1,000? So part of the IGEL solution is the IGEL UMS, or Universal Management Server. This is a one pane of glass approach to managing all your IGEL devices based on the IGEL OS, which I'm about to switch over and show you. So you can see here, the laptop has booted, so I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you the IGEL UMS. There we go. As you can see here, here's my device. Very Active Directory-like. You have policies here that you create, and then you take those policies and you apply them to a directory structure where your devices are set. Here in my folder here, you see all the different policies that I've placed here where my device is, and this device will inherit those. One of the other cool things about IGEL is the ability to securely shadow that device. As you can see here, I have a secure VNC connection, so I'm going to connect here, and you can see I am mirroring that laptop from the UMS that is actually being hosted in a public cloud. So a user can quickly get into the built-in Firefox browser that the IGEL OS offers. I have pre-populated it with my credentials just to kind of make this more of a quick demo. So you can see here, I'm now in my Office 365 piece. I can open things like Teams, open my email, that sort of thing, which is super cool in terms of actually collaborating. So really, again, without connecting to any kind of Citrix VMware environment, you can connect to any of your Microsoft resources that are web-based through our built-in browser with no problems to make users productive on their data, on their email, those type of things. When you're actually done and you're ready to go, a user can just simply go back, and I'll stop sharing now and show you exactly what this looks like. Now I'm back to the laptop. I can just simply pull out the UD Pocket. The device will turn off, and when I turn it back on, it'll actually go back to the native OS that's installed on the hard drive. So you can see here, it'll boot right back into Windows. There's that familiar little spinning icon at the bottom. And momentarily, we should be good to go. There it is. I hope you enjoyed that little demo of how easy it is to boot from a UD Pocket and to take advantage of this critical situation. Please stay safe, everyone. Thank you.